Hi, this is Stuart Talley here. I'm one of the partners at Kershaw, Cutter and Ratnoff, responsible for the Stryker hip litigation. A lot of people have been calling us recently about this litigation and basically asking for some guidance on how the litigation process works in cases like this. And it is a very unique process because at the end of the day, there's probably going to be several thousand lawsuits filed against Stryker involving the Stryker Rejuvenate hip recall. We do know that they put this hip in 33,000 people. So we expect there to be somewhere between 10 and 15,000 lawsuits filed. Now, the way the court system deals with that situation is they consolidate the cases. And so in this case, every case around the country has been consolidated in Minneapolis, Minnesota, before Judge Donovan Frank. Judge Frank is responsible for managing the cases with the ultimate goal of getting them resolved, either through trials or through settlement. Most of these cases settle uh, just because of the very real issue of trying to have trials in 15,000 cases. It's very inefficient, expensive, and time consuming. So the goal is to get the cases settled, and the way the courts typically do that is they will pick a sampling of what they call representative cases to go to trial first. So those cases will go to trial first. There will be verdicts in those cases, and eventually those verdicts will help guide what is hoped to be a global settlement in the litigation. Normally, the process of beginning to end in a case like this is 2 to 3 years. And that's what I would expect to see in the Stryker litigation. So that's essentially how the litigation works. All of these cases, like I said, are before Judge Donovan Frank. There's a core group of attorneys who are responsible for handling the case on the plaintiff side. I believe there's about 15 firms. It's called the Plaintiff Steering Committee. We are at Kershaw, Cutter and Ratnoff. We are on that committee, so we're involved in the day-to-day litigation of the case. And so we're very familiar with the issues. We're very familiar with what makes a case a good case or a bad case. And we're here to help. So if you have a Stryker Rejuvenate hip or a Stryker ABG2 hip, please feel free to call us at the phone number on the screen. Or you can visit our website, which is also listed on the screen, and there's an online form you can fill out, and someone will be in touch with you immediately to provide you with a free evaluation for your case.